everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make Caesar salad. So for the ingredients, here we have romaine lettuce, it's also known as cost lettuce, olive oil, Worcestershire sauce, eggs, anchovy is a oily fish, Parmesan cheese, Dijon mustard, pine chopped garlic and lemon juice. So first I'll separate the egg yolk. Break this. And put egg yolk into, separate the egg yolk and put into a glass bowl. Now I'll remove these things and start whisking the egg yolk with olive oil. For 2 egg yolk, it requires 250 ml olive oil. So as you can see, it is getting thicker. I'll add olive oil very slowly until it emulsified it. Now I'll add some seasoning into it. And mix it properly. Now my Caesar dressing is done. I'll keep this aside. Afterwards, I'll turn on the gas and place a non-stick pan. Now I'm going to make a Parmesan tuile. For that, I'll spread the Parmesan cheese in non-stick pan and let it cook for 2 to 3 minutes. Once it begins bubbling, I'll clip it and cut from the center. Afterward, I'll place this on chopping board, turn off the gas and cut this into a center. Now my Parmesan tuile is done. Now I'm going to make bread croutons. For that, I'll take bucket bread and cut into slant. Now I'm going to put some parsley, olive oil and garlic on top of these breads. Some fine chopped garlic. Olive oil. Now I'll keep this into the oven for 8 to 10 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius. Caesar salad was originated in Mexico by an Italian immigrant called Cesar Cargini, who used to operate his restaurant in Mexico and San Diego. So it's been around 8 minutes and I am going to take out my croutons from the oven. Now it's time to put romaine lettuce into Caesar dressing. For that I'll take dressing, some romaine leaf, and mix this gently. Afterwards, I'll put the tuile in the center and more of romaine. With some bread croutons. Now my Caesar salad is done.